Good morning, teachers and friends. My name is Justin,
And my name is Marvel.
And my name is Matthew.
and today we're gonna talk about direct and inverse proportion in daily life.
So this is the question about direct proportion. So there's two part for this question. So for the first part, the question is about a car has a capacity of 50 liter of fuel. The car needs to travel around 360 kilometers to reach its destination. So each 50 liter of oils can be used to travel around 65 kilometers. Assume that the car has fuel capacity in it when it first travel and also when it refuel in their stops. So the question is, how many stops does the car need to reach its destination? And for the part two, buying every 25 liter of oil costs 350,400 rupiah. How much total does it cost for the car to reach its destination? So this is the working for the question. So for the part one, the working is divide 360 by 65, which it will become 5.5. For the step two, you need to round up to 6 because because there's no way we're saying that the car stopped in 5.5 stops, which make no sense. And for the step three, we subtract 1 from 6 because the car had 50 liter at the start of the journey, which will be 5 stops. And for the part two, we have to the step one is to multiply 5 by 50 to find how many liters will be refilled across the stop, which will be 250 liter. For the step two, divide 250 by 25, which will be 10. Lastly, multiply 255,400 by 10, which it will become 3,554,000 rupiah. Also, in conclusion, the more the car stops and also the more the car needs to refuel. So that that aligns the same meaning as direct proportion.
So here's the question for the inverse proportion. Four workers can paint a wall in 6 hours. Assuming each worker works at the same pace, if 10 workers do the same job, how long will it take them? So step one is you to find how long for one person to complete the task, which will be the amount of men times the amount of time in the statement, which will be 24 hours. The second step is for you to divide the amount of time for how long one person to complete the task, which will be 24 hours, by the amount of workers stated in the question. So it will be 24 divided by 10, which will be 2.4 hours. In conclusion, um, the more number of workers working, it means the less amount of time is for you to complete the task, and the less amount of people working in that task, it means it will the more amount of time required to finish the task.
So, in conclusion, from this performance task, we learn how direct and inverse proportion are used in our daily life. We realize that mathematics is not about only about numbers, but it also helps us understand real situations, like how the cost increase when we buy more items, and how time decrease when more people work together. And the source we got from all of this are Thinking Mathematics, aka our book. Second, Mathematics Form 2 textbook, Ministry of Education, Malaysia. And lastly, direct and inverse proportion, formula problems and examples. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
for
you and
listening.
bye
You.
bye.
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 Hey, we're done.
Yeah, we need to edit about the.
But I'm kind of stu.
I
I'm
think I